This is McDonald's. Is Arfida from Indonesia, Jakarta. So I'm just regarding these restaurants, food court in this mall in Abu Dhabi. So if we enter into the mall, come to the mall, it is excellent because it is air conditioned. Otherwise, we can't survive in the heat. So this is Italian Il Forno, Italian restaurant. This is Charlie's Philly Sticks, might be from Philadelphia, US. Steaks. Shawarma, Halla, Abu Dhabi. This is Texas Kitchen. I think one more American joint. Never tasted anything here. So this is children's kids playing area. So I should not record because it's kids playing area. I'm just that's it. It's food court. And I'm going to first floor with this beautiful escalator, and this is Abu Dhabi Marina Mall. So escalator this side, sorry. This is different shops available in this mall. This is Typo. So bags, mugs, plastic items. Columbia is sportswear company. That is Levi's, Cotton On, Under Armour. So all multinational brands. Crocs, Yas perfumes. This is nice cafe where you can sit and drink coffee. This Pierre Cardin, Yatim Opticians, it look like local. UAE, Victoria's Secret, Oisho. I just want to go to Harbour or Marina, just in front of this nice coffee shop. Excellent architecture. So very beautiful Arabica. This Boots Pharmacy, UK pharmaceutical giant. I am in ground floor now. Pot Foy's, Hugo, I don't know what is this. And this is perfume shop, Al Majid. Perfumes in the middle. Aldar, I think looks like a real estate. Longines, Harmony Jewelers. So Aldo, Dune, London, Marks and Spencer, UK, Rolex, Switzerland, Sephora, Tudor. So all big brands. Joe and the Juice, I don't know where it comes from. So this is, I think, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, miniature Abu Dhabi. It's beautiful. That is museum, which is a heart shape. This is Big Bus Abu Dhabi. I have not taken any big bus in this Dubai trip because I have booked packages. So each trip is 150 dirhams, so 150 into 24 rupees. So they're all good except yesterday's that marine, Dubai Marina trip cruise. That was not good. When food was not good. So except that, all three are good. One is Desert Safari, one is Abu Dhabi tour. So, and one is Dubai City tour half day. So they're all good. I'll just talk to this girl, ask how much is the big bus costs in Abu Dhabi, and then I'll go to Marina, Harbourfront. See the city buses, AC buses, very good, nice color combination. And this is all parking area with this for this mall, and that also the Harbourfront. You can see the high-rise buildings. They are looking excellent, but only the sky is not clear. So I don't know the reason. In Dubai it was too bad. Here bit better compared to Dubai. Maybe season or sand or for smog, fog, I don't know the reason. But sky is not clear. So this is Marina Mall, very famous mall in Abu Dhabi.
Is the current ruler of Abu Dhabi and the current president is the old 700. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Sultan. Same, exactly. Same time. Okay, we can proceed here. As a local guide, we already slow down the car. This is the minimum speed for us.
This is a Royal Palace.
So this is
a visitor's entrance. You can come and visit this. This is Presidential Palace.
the White Palace building. The royal family offices are located inside the Presidential
The
Palace.
beautiful buildings.
And this is the main entrance of this at the Hard Towers.
This is Bab Al Khasar Hotel.
5-star hotel. We have also inside
Grand Hyatt,
this at Hard Towers.
Grand Hyatt.
Conrad 5-star hotel.
Grand Hyatt.
Grand Hyatt. So just together with Grand Hyatt and Movement
Aston Martin.
right inside.
And this is
And you can see the Aston Martin car showroom on the ground floor.
Etihad Towers. This used in Hollywood movie location. This location towers.
President of the old 700s.
He is the president of United Arab Emirates. So for 7 Emirates.
Mecca, there we have a first, largest, biggest mosque in the world. Second biggest also in Saudi Arabia, Medina, but this one is the 21st biggest mosque in the world. So this project was launched by His Highness Sheikh Said bin Sultan Al Nahyan, but unfortunately he died just before the completion of this mosque. So the construction was started in 1996. It was completed in 2007, but he was died in 2004. His Highness Sheikh Said bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the father of the nation. So this is the royal family entrance at your right hand side. This is only for the royal family. So the construction was started in 1996. It was completed in 2007. But His Highness Sheikh Said, he was died in 2004. So you can see 85 domes, 7 different sizes of 85 domes at the top of this mosque, and 4 minarets over there. In the top of these minarets, they may have a pure 18 karat gold. So what we are going to explore